Hello friends! That's it, that's my intro. Today we are making studded tires. This is going to be kind of a short video because there's not that many steps making studded tires, but it is very tedious and I will go through every step of the way. So step one of studding tires is actually to pick your pattern and your bolt placement. I did not get any footage of this, but I do have footage of Chris here drilling holes in the tire. The next step, as you see me doing here, is taking your JXB Performance pre-sharpened bolts and dipping them into windshield adhesive. The windshield adhesive acts as a sealer for the holes as the bolt is going through. The next step you'll see Zach doing here is taking the bolt and putting it through the pre-drilled hole in the tire. Your next step will be to put the windshield adhesive around every bolt on the outside of the tire. I'm sure at this point you can see why I said it's a tedious process. Now you take a washer and a nut and put it on the end of every bolt. Your next step would be to tighten every nut. Unfortunately, I did not get footage of this. The following step would be to mount the tire. If you would like me to go in depth explaining how this awesome corgi machine works, I can do a video on that. But yeah, here's the video of Jay mounting up one of Zach's studded tires. These studded tires are looking pretty sharp on my Bimmer World TA8s. Get it, sharp. Thank you all for watching, and I will catch you all in the next one.